welcome back to the video. Welcome back to another Keneisha Says. So today it's gonna be a little you're gonna be on the road with me. I have a bunch of errands. Today is October 16th. Today is my baby's birthday. Everybody give it up in the comment section. Say happy birthday to my baby girl. She turns all of 6 today. It's now 12:20 and I am about to leave. I just got dressed and everything, running downstairs. Let me come, just come on. Running downstairs to go get battery, because every time I tell you guys that I'm going to be taking you guys on the road with me, I eventually leave you here because I keep forgetting the camera. So we're trying our very best to keep the camera with us today. So we're gonna get the backup battery that I put to charge. Okay, all right, so let me show you what I have on today. I'm gonna show them an outfit like that, but let me show you what I have. So I don't know if you guys can see, just feeling very comfy today, right? So sweatshirt, pants, my white Air Force, and I have my bag upstairs. It's, you know, gonna do like a crossbody bag. So let me just get the thingy right now. So the battery's not completely charged, so we're gonna get the thing for it to put into the car in the meantime. So we have a couple of things that we need to do. It's not gonna be extremely busy today, but time will be my enemy. Understand? As usual, nothing new. Let me put these into my bag before I forget it. Also need to get some water, you know. Can't forget my eyes because then I can't see nothing. I need to grab my water check. Alright. I seem to ramble a lot and then not say anything. I realize that when I'm editing my videos, I'm like, girl, are you dumb or something? You say a lot of nothing. You say a lot of nothing. So let me start over. All right, today's my daughter's birthday. She turned 6 today. She's at school and everything, but her birthday party will be on Saturday. So what's gonna happen is that I am gonna be taking some of the decorations and stuff to the venue because they're gonna decorate and everything. Before I do that, I'm gonna run by well, no, not Walmart, Whole Foods, because I have something to return. One of the pens that I got the other day, one was broken. I'm gonna take that back, returned or whatever. I already got the other one, and then I need to pick up some gummies thingy at Target. We're gonna go down by Stop and Shop, get the cake sorted out, and then we're gonna go by Dollar Tree so if you can get some additional decorations, and then we're gonna head to the venue. Now I'm hoping, even though I don't have a lot of things to do, I'm hoping that I'm finished in time so I can actually grab Tavania at school instead of waiting for her to come to the bus stop. That gives us more time because she wanted to go to Wendy's today, and she also want to go to the park. The park is going to be north of the park, they're cold and stuff. The outside cold because it's cold today. It's like in the 40s degree. It's in the 40s, okay? Anyway, me I do too much talking. It's after 12, but that's basically in a nutshell what's gonna be happening. Have my bag. I got my water. No, let's get the key first. I got the keys. I got the bags with the goodies them right here. So yeah, check. Water. Check. I need to grab Savannah iPad. You know she don't want it when she come home from school. Grab that. Oh God, I feel like a market woman. I have so much things right now. Okay, water check. Lights off. I'm a phone. And I'm a pockets. My bag full. Jesus. Alright guys, we're out the door. Oh my goodness. Alright. We're out the door. Guys, we pack up, catch it. Pack up. Let's get into the car. Oh God, my car dirty. Alright, you guys not gonna stay up there, so obviously because for safety reasons, right? Let's cut this. That's not bad because it was a boat. It would be helpful if I started the car. Let's put this here, so. Can't believe this girl turned 6 already. She was just born yesterday. Oh my gosh. Alright, this is too hot for me. Alright, so let the battery go on charging there, so. Alright guys, I will see you when I think I'm gonna go to Target first. And then we're gonna go over to Whole Foods. And then tell them the order, you know, so I can't smell something now. Then we go to Stop and Shop, then we go to Dollar Tree, and then we go over to the venue. And then hopefully by that time, it's not too late for me to submit, pick up the kids. I ain't trying, I'm just going to the house. That's nice. That is not nice at all. Why? Okay, ready? Let's go. Alright guys, we're here at Target. I already put in that I'm here, so I'm just waiting for them to come out. Just literally one item. They're here. Hello.
Alright, here you go.
Thank you very much.
You have a good day.
So, one to get an item. I'm gonna try this. The Goli ashwagandha. I see it advertising on Mr. TikTok. I go crazy with it. I mean, at one point I wanted to try it. I did the vinegar cider one, the red one. But I said this is good for a lot of things. So relax, restore, unwind. And I try with anxiety. So I'm gonna try this. So it's a pack of 60. Went on Amazon. Tell me why every single one sold out. So I said, okay, let me go to the next best thing, and that was Target. All right, so Target check. Now we're gonna go over to Walmart. I keep on saying that. Whole Foods is literally right over there. So let's go.
So guys, for some very strange reason, I thought I was recording all this time, but apparently I wasn't. I actually told you before this that I had to circle the parking lot like 3 times before I was able to find a part.
So this is all I'm recording. This is all I'm recording. This is all I'm actually returning. So let's go.
Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the
guys. When I tell you that the parking lot is completely full, it's completely full. Like, people just waiting for somebody to come up for them to take the spot. Like, it is ridiculous. Like, why Whole Food full up, so? Oh my gosh. We're done with that. So I finished 2 stops already. I'm so proud of me. That's great. And it's still 12:56. So we got 4 minutes to 1. We're going to buy Stop and Shop right now, and then to Dollar Tree. When I reach at Stop and Shop, I change this because it has 2 minutes left on the memory card. I'll see you at Stop and Shop. Highest mountain. All right, guys, we are here at Stop and Shop. The battery is actually charged, so I'm going to switch this and put in the other one. And then I'm going to change the memory card on this because it also says that it has 2 minutes. Alright, so second battery is being charged. Oh, this one is fully charged already. Okay, so both the battery and the memory card I did one time, so I'm going to switch it over. I'm going to put in the one here. Alright guys, we should be all set now. So, put in the battery and the memory card. Tell me why this memory card was telling me that it's completely full, so now I had to reformat that. So it's brand new. Everything is good. Everything is already backed up. Camera well, fresh and clean. We are going to go into Stop and Shop now. So may I get brave with camera and say just to come up with camera like say me I show YouTube, but don't talk to me. So we're going into Stop and Shop, and we're gonna grab the cake. We're gonna grab cake. Hold on. Need some onion rings. This time not for do the party. Onion ring spread. Ameless. So let's go into Stop and Shop.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid.
Alright, so we're in Stop and Shop. Let's see what I'm having. Hello. Do you happen to have anything inside out too for cakes? I mean, this looks old, like the regular one that you guys have, so I don't think there's anything updated in here. I'm sorry? I'm thinking no then, because this looks old. How am I gonna do this now? I'm not looking at it. There's nothing in here. I want to order a cake, please. I'm sorry? For Saturday. Alright, so I got the cake ordered. Don't mind. She's not rude enough, but she just, I don't know, there's just something about her. She's just dry, you know? She don't want warm feeling to make her feel like you really want to talk to her. It's just like, anyway. I'm not having the inside out too. I hope you guys can hear me. I'm not have the inside out to anything decoration, so I kind of just have the colors them incorporated, and I did have some cupcakes the core thingy, I'm just gonna drop in them. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get the onion rings right now. I made 2 boxes. Let's go to the onion rings. I have bread on the here soon. Gonna get scallion in time. Alright, so this is scallion. If it's time here, so. Last time I buy it, so let me carry it to them. Kind of get mildew on it, so.
Thank you for using your card. $6.99.
Don't ever let them get inside your head.
$1.99.
They'll tell you what to do in life instead.
$1.99.
Everything you know that you could get. Let them guide your life towards regret.
Please remove all bagged items now.
Alright guys, so we're finished with Stop and Shop. Just don't put these inside the trunk. Well, the trunk full up still. Now we're gonna go to Dollar Tree, which is right next door here. I just wanted to drop these off first. Alright. I'm on a mission. We're going over to Dollar Tree.
Don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds. People can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive.
Alright guys, we're in Dollar Tree. Just one purple spoons. Do they have just spoons? Just wanted the spoons, but this come with everything. I'm just gonna take this 16 spoons. Let me take 2 packs just in case. Just one of that. Green. It's inside out with a lot of different colors. Let's see if we have cups. Alright, we have 10. Blue. We have this red, I think. Oh, there's the red. There's some for green. This is 40 right here. Let's see what else. Happy birthday. Alright. Number 6. Some streamers or anything. I need streamers or something. Smaller. Why don't put the pink one all the way to the back? It's some necklace. Train on them now. I have to get this one for the hook. So look at this. I've lifted up everything to get from that. That don't make sense. I don't know. What's the sorry. Look at this one. And pink. No, I'm not. Balloon seal. Balloon stands. Alright, let me check my team. I have everything.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We got spoon, we got cups, the cake, ice cream, we got coffee, the ice cream. If you don't get that later. We got the balloon, wrapping paper, and it's not stream on this ice cream. And then ring, bird, sky, and time. We're gonna go to the there's some home decoration here, so. There he goes. Alright, stop on Dollar Tree secure. Alright guys, so we get every single thing that we needed except for the ice cream. I have to go to the hairdresser tomorrow, so I feel like I'm gonna do that when I go by the hairdresser because I'm not go back in the Stop and Shop right now. It is now 2 minutes to 2, basically. But I think we're about to go for the kids then because I'm gonna head to the hair store. I need to get some purple and green beads for Tavania, and then I'm gonna head to the venue to drop off what I need to drop off and do the last, you know, couple payments to make sure that everything is good and dandy. But what I will be doing is I'll be at the stop really early. Well, we still have time. So let's see how that works out. Because if I can still go to the school, I'll do that. Just because of our birthday. You understand? Alright, anywho. Girl, feel productive. I feel very productive today. Let's go to the hair store. We're just gonna get the bead. That's so system. I think I want to go inside come to bead. What am I going to get the bead? I think I'll show you the beads when I get the beads. Yeah, let's do that. Guys, man, I get so hungry right now. I don't even know what I'm gonna eat. Alright guys, we're at the hair store. I'm just gonna run in real quick. Like, I'm not even gonna take y'all. Don't be scared. I'm gonna leave you right here, okay? We're gonna leave you right here, so don't worry. I'll be back, okay? Less than 5 minutes and I'll be back. I promise. Alright? Right here, say I stay. So watch and see if nobody has TV care, okay? I am back. I told you guys I wasn't going to take no long time. But I think the man recognize me because of the hairstyle. Maybe because I didn't buy a lot of stuff today. I didn't get nothing free. When I get nothing free, they just text me about payments. And I told them I was coming today, so I don't know what I'm calling for. I was trying calling them this morning. I didn't know what understand. They have to text me. Don't text me, man. Ciao.
Hi, Keneisha.
Hey, well, how you doing, Javier? I tried calling you guys this morning, but it just went to voicemail.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, but I'm literally coming your way right now. The reason I was calling you because I wanted to find out what exactly do you guys need. So I know I'm coming to do the payment, but in terms of decoration, you just need like the decoration. You don't need like the plates and the cups and all that good stuff right now, right?
No. Even if you want to drop it off like on Friday, that's also fine.
You know,
if you're able,
yeah. Go ahead.
No, I was gonna say if you are able to do it, like drop off any supplies, then just do it a day before. If not, then you can come in earlier, like on day of earlier.
So that's not going to be feasible. And I work from like 4:15 in the morning to like 6 in the evening, so that's not going to be possible. And tomorrow I have an appointment, so the only available time is today. I can put I have everything in the car already. I know that the balloons
that's fine.
I know I have to blow the balloon, so that I'll have to do early Saturday morning and bring that over to you. But everything else I kind of have with me. All right. So I'm
just double checking, Keneisha, just the schedule because. So yes, if you have anything to drop off today, then yes, do that today. But with the balloons, since you're blowing them up yourself, the only thing is you wouldn't be able to set up the balloon, or like you wouldn't be able to really blow up the balloons.
Do you guys blow the balloons?
Quite yet.
No, the balloons. I said I would do that on Saturday morning.
No, I know. But the thing is that in your room, we have somebody else there.
Okay.
So let me see. I'm trying to see if I can.
I'm coming to you right now, Javier. Let me come over there and you show me what you tell me. You can just show me everything. I'm heading to you right now.
I think I found I found a solution. I got it now. But,
What's up?
I was just double checking because the schedule had something else that I just wanted to be sure of. But yeah, come in now.
All right.
I wanted to double check.
All right, I'll see you in a bit.
I'll see you soon.
Okay, cool.
Bye.
All right, bye. But I understand him said me and somebody share room. Like, me never sign up for that. But let me get the address. Come on to the North Park to go. I don't sign up for that at all. Alright guys, so it says 60 minutes away. So let me just go up there real quick. Alright guys, we are here. Just fix myself properly. Oh, I didn't even show you guys what I got from the hair store. They didn't have, remember I told you that I needed purple and green beads. They didn't have purple beads, so I bought 2 packs of this, different shades of green, because again, she's dressed up as Disgust. I never say that word. And I got me 2 lip glosses. So I spent $12.19 in here. In Stop and Shop, I spent like $20-something, and in Dollar Tree, I think I spent the same amount. I know, worry, I'm taking you guys inside. Guys, you know, different story. I wanted to ask you. Christmas is coming up. Last year I did Vlogmas. Leave it in the comment section. Do you think I should do a Vlogmas, or do you want me to do a Vlogmas this year? And I was also thinking, what about Vlogtober next year? I think I want to try that. I gotta get in a good space though, because that's a daily vlog every single day. Alright guys, I think we're good. Put the lotion on the end. Alright, so let's find out which part today. I'm back on pen. All these things now. What you gonna do? Alright guys, I am finished with inside. I'm hungry, but it's time for me to go grab the kids. Oh, you know what? Let me get you guys on here and then I'll talk to y'all. Alright guys, so I am back in. I'm finished with everything. Just about to go grab the kids. Hold on, I'm not sure where I'm going. Tell me why I came over here to finalize everything and ended up spending a whole lot more money. That made no sense. Wait, like the amount of money I just spent a while ago. The amount of money, like I was supposed to pay a balance, and I basically doubled the amount that I was supposed to pay right now. Yeah, I doubled the amount that I was supposed to pay. But the thing is, majority what they're gonna do, which is I think they did tell me about that package, but then I was running away from it. They're gonna decorate everything. I need gas. They're gonna decorate everything. They give me a discount too. I mean, the bottom line is that the money is already spent. They're not doing everything. Majority of what I just bought, they don't even need it because of the package that I just took. I'm gonna bring them back. You know why? Because it's Dollar Tree. It is what it is. It's done. They're gonna take care of everything. I just need to get a cake on Saturday, ice cream, some soda. That's it. It is what it is. It is what it is. Done already. So I'm heading out to go grab the kids. When I grab the kids and everything, I will show you, because we're gonna get windies and something and then go to the park. The place I feel that cold anymore. So that's what we're gonna do. Alright, so I'll see you then.
I'm so excited.
It's not a trampoline park. It's like you have bouncy houses. It has what do you call it, bumper carts. Have the little games where you can put in the coins and get those, like the arcade type thing, with a lot of bouncy houses. Understand?
Okay, I'm gonna go to definitely. That's kind of like fun.
The bouncy houses are really fun.
It's more fun than the park.
They have a Mickey Mouse, and you're gonna love the setup.
Mama.
Alright, so let's go.
Mama, why
you know
would
what you want?
tell me what it looks like, Mama? You can't tell me. You said it was a surprise, Mama.
It's a surprise, but you can't get on a seat. Just like you're about to. You know what you want to win this?
Yes. Can you go inside, Wendy?
I want to get some too.
Just I do not enter.
Can just have some, Mama? Can just take his order?
So why am I gonna come over here and just buy food for you alone, Tavania? Oh, that makes sense.
Well, you know the Krabby Patty meal is just a Dave single and
oh, let's see, me go through the wrong with the figurines of us now. The fufu.
Not fufu, you're the best.
Thank you, baby. Thank you. Come, what you want?
I want kids meal and the ice cream.
Kids meal, the 4-piece nuggets.
6-piece nugget.
A 4-piece I only have.
4-piece.
Just tell me what you want.
The original chicken sandwich, fries, and a lemonade. But the chicken sandwich with bacon.
The classic chicken sandwich.
Yes.
But with
Number
bacon.
4.
Yes, but with bacon.
How can I help you?
Hi, let me have a kid's meal, the nugget.
Okay, what's going to be the drink and sauce?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear it, sorry.
What's going to be the drink and sauce?
The drink is gonna be milk, Tavana. Milk?
I don't want no.
Let's do milk and just regular regular ketchup.
Can
What
I
kind
have
of milk?
ice cream, Mama?
White milk.
All right, would that be all?
Let me also have a number 4, the classic chicken combo. And can you add bacon to that as well?
All right, what's going to be the drink?
Let me have lemonade.
I'm sorry, could you repeat that?
Lemonade.
What kind of lemonade?
The pink lemonade. And as well, we got ice cream. What size do you have? It's a birthday girl. She's trying to get ice cream right now.
We have chocolate and vanilla.
Let me have it.
Small, medium, and large.
Let me have a
I want
small
chocolate,
vanilla.
please.
You want chocolate?
Yes.
Let me have a small chocolate.
Okay.
And that's it.
$21.64 first window.
Thank you. Ooh, I'm too far. Let me go back.
How are you so far?
I didn't realize I was going up to the second window. For some reason, I was passing you to go up to the second window. Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Tristan, put on all this. I said lemonade. No. The ice cream coming out a cup to me.
Yeah. Of
I
course.
thought it was going to be a cone. You know, I'm going to come on this. I think I want some come on this for me. I need gas. Thank you very much. That's it. Thank you very much. You too. Tristan, my sister have everything. Come on in here. Alright, we're going home?
No.
Where are we going?
Park.
Need gas.
Go to the gas station.
Can I get my soccer stuff first, Mama? I want to play.
I'm not go home and then come back. I need gas during this song.
I'm gonna get gas. I'm going to the park.
I don't want to play soccer.
Jesus, please.
Nobody not getting no.
Nobody not giving no pass.
No blind. Speak Jamaican, Mama.
Bombards. Really? I'm trying to come to the gas station, you know. How much fuel? Look, I'm going to go BJ's the other day and could I get cheap gas. Why am I not do that? Have you not eaten food?
No, I'm not gonna eat right now. I need somewhere to put my iPad so I can watch it and like eat my thing.
You can't do that to your yard, you know.
It's not an idea. Don't worry.
You can't do that to your yard. You're saying.
With enough fries. Mama?
Yeah, man. Thank you. No, let me taste some food.
You want a bite? I almost bit my hand off.
Do you want a chicken nugget?
This chicken is really
chicken
crispy,
nugget?
Mama. It's better than McDonald's one.
And that's it, good. I'm going to have it first on the table. Tell me, you eat, baby. It's your birthday. You eat.
Table.
But can I have my ice cream? I want my ice cream.
Just get ice cream. Bombas! That's what you can mash up, sir. Come back there, man.
Let's go to the park.
I'm really full already with the first ninjas. That's crazy. Let's go into the park. When we reach the park, we'll talk to you. Careful, look where you go. Alright guys, so we're at the park. Somebody in my play. I give him half an hour. Tristan over there to play basketball. It's just now 10 minutes after 5. We give him 20 minutes and then we'll go home. Alright guys, we're finally home. I'm so exhausted. So anywho, there's nothing much to show you guys again. Oh, one thing. First of all, if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Like this video, comment on the comment section. Send out some Wolipa happy birthday for my baby girl. Go in the comment section and let's have a conversation. We're trying to build a community here, okay? So drop your little likes, your little comments, say something. Just no negativity. That's all I'm asking, okay? Alright, so a lot of you guys, friends and family, have sent a lot of, because Tavania had a wish list, and a lot of you have sent a bunch of gifts for her. I apologize, we haven't opened anything yet because we have a bunch of stuff that, you know, it was Prime Day and I had to go and purchase stuff. So because everything is coming in my name, it's not, I don't know what is what yet, so I have to go sort through. But in advance, I'm going to tell you thank you, and I'm going to have to do a separate video to thank you guys while opening those gifts as well.
Thank you, you guys. Thank you for the gifts. for my wishes. Thank you for all the birthday wishes. Bye.
A couple packages came today. And I'm going to show you because when I telling us I have to sort through all these things. I went and I did a bunch of shopping on Prime Day. And then with your gifts that you have sent for Tavania, I haven't been able to go through everything yet. So I'm just going to show you. Plus more things are come. And I just saw that a couple more things were purchased. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. We really appreciate it. Tavania really appreciate it. Alright, so let me show you what we have here. Packages upon packages upon packages. From the ground all the way up, more over there. So because everything I know I should have done something for it to state Tavania separately, but I didn't do that. So all the packages are obviously coming in my name, so I really don't know which one or which one. Me don't know. Saturday's our birthday. We're gonna sort through everything. I'm gonna do a Christmas haul, and then Tavania is gonna do an open unboxing for all her birthday gifts, and at that point she'll be able to thank each and every one of you guys. Hopefully everybody had put something in the, you know, that section or comment section, something, so she can actually read that to you guys and thank everybody that sent. Thank you so much again, and we'll see you at the birthday party. Remember, check out my Amazon storefront. Everything that I bought will be there, and also drop your comment regarding whether or not I should be doing Vlogmas and what you think about next year of Vlogtober. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Like this video, comment under the comment section. And until later. Bye.